So I recently got a Sega Genesis Model 2, and I just assumed everything was okay with it because it powered on and such. But come to find out, the controller ports wasn't working just right. So left and right's been working just fine. But yeah, the up and down wasn't working. So I started messing with this when I put pressure on it. Ah, now I can. So that should be an easy fix. What probably happened was these controller ports took a lot of abuse, so a lot of pulling in and out on the cord has actually caused the solder joints to loosen up. Also, same deal on the back. The system is very finicky, and that's enough to turn it off. You can see how loose that is. So we're going to fix these solder points as well. Alright, so here's the bottom of the board, and this is actually where the AC adapter plugs in. You can see there, and probably can't pick it up on the camera, but yeah, these are really loose. You can kind of see the solder moving around, so all I'm going to do is reflow that. And I'm going to come over here, which I can't actually see it move, but I know that they're loose because when I applied pressure to it, it would start working, the up and down would start working. So I'm going to reflow all this. I'm just going to take a soldering iron and just kind of touch the different points, and that should be enough to solder everything back in place. And I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back, and we'll see if it worked. Alright, here we have our 3 loose soldering joints. And all I'm going to do is touch those up with a little bit of solder. It should be good there. One. There's 2. There's 3. Okay, so those joints should be good and solid now. Give it a second to kind of. But yeah, there's no more play in them. So yeah, our power connection should be just fine now. Alright, and here's the controller ports. I'm not going to add any extra solder, just so I don't have to worry about bridging any connections, but I'm just going to kind of try reflowing what's already on there, and hopefully that'll be good enough. And we'll see what happens. And for good measure, we'll do the second player port too. Okay, and then the 3 holding joints. Alright, and we'll see how it works now. Okay, and here we are with everything hooked back up. Controller port's nice and steady. Okay, and here's the controller. Alright, we got up, down, right, left. We got our buttons. Our the buttons weren't giving me any problem before. Okay. So that's all good. Alright. Then you'll see here that our power port is nice and steady now too. Okay, so yeah, I mean, wasn't too much work, but yeah, it's obviously just from abuse over time. I mean, whenever people are pulling plugs in and out, things tend to get loosened up. There's not a whole lot you can really do about it, but you can open it back up and then resolder your points and everything will be good again. Alright, thanks for watching.